Okay, the cracking means we have to break the bond carbon-carbon and sometimes carbon and hydrogen. Higher alkanes converted to lower alkanes plus alkenes. Lower alkane plus alkene. That is called, we are calling as a cracking. Cracking means breaking of the carbon and carbon bond. Breaking of the carbon and carbon bond we are calling as a cracking. Right? We have to apply the high temperature above their boiling points. It requires above their boiling points. Is it clear? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts? Abhishek Joshi, Arjun Bhandari, Ritvik, Yashwant, Hemalata. Any doubts? Yes, audible? My voice is audible, yes or no? Right down. Write down, guys. Long chain. Yes, you take a, for example, we are taken CH3, CH2, then CH2, then CH3. If you are taken this one, this is a cracking. Then what happen? First we get a CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus CH4. It is one possibility. Another possibility, this is a CH3, then CH3 plus CH2 double bond, CH2. Alright? Is it clear? Is it clear? So alkane with alkene, alkane with alkene. Is it clear, guys? One carbon alkene does not possible. Yes or no? Chalo. Chalo, write down. Safed ganjal. Write down. Write down, guys. Write down. Safed ganjal. Have you understood? Any doubts? Any doubts? Write down. Yes, finish now. Guys, over. Finish, Dandy. Do it fast. Do it fast. Guys, finished now. Shall I write down another example? This one. Write down this one example. Shanmukh, take a screenshot fast. Is finished off. Shanmugh, finished off. Shanmugh, over. Chalo, next. Take screenshot fast, man. Done. Yes, write down this one. Is finished off. Done, guys. Finish off. Chalo. Next, another new concept. That is another new concept. Aromatization. Aromatization means it compound converted to aromatic compounds. Aliphatic converted to aromatic. Aliphatic compound converted to aromatic. Aliphatic compound converted to aromatic compound. Okay. Good. Listen. A mixture of. Listen. First, listen, guys. A mixture of benzene, toluene, and xylene are known as, మీకు ఇది ఇస్తారండి క్వశ్చన్లో, are known as BTX, benzene toluene xylene, is obtained when crude naphtha means C6 2C8 straight chain hydrocarbon. Okay, straight chain alkenes vapors are passed over a catalyst platinum plus alumina, Al2O3. This is alumina. Okay, at 773 Kelvin or 500 degrees centigrade. So the octane number is improved sufficiently by converting low octane number alkenes into high octane number components. What are the components? Listen. What is this name of the compound? Guys, what is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can I call it this is an hexane? Yes or no? An hexane? Yes. So we have to crack catalyst. What is the catalyst? Al2O3 plus platinum at 500 degrees centigrade. Here Kelvin said 273. First, what happened? Here hydrogens are there. Yes or no? It is that these hydrogens loss of H2 gas. What happens? Cyclization takes place. What is this? Cyclohexane. దీనికి మళ్ళీ వేయండి Al2O3 plus platinum at 500 degrees centigrade. Can I call this is everything which is having the how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. We wrote only one hydrogens, right? Why one hydrogens? Right? First, loss of these 2 hydrogens. Loss of these 2 hydrogens, loss of these 2 hydrogens. What happened? Shall I get what is this? Benzene plus 3 moles of H2 gas. Benzene with 3 moles of H2 gas. Benzene with 3 moles. The total straight chain hydrocarbon converted to benzene, how many moles of H2 gas is released? How many moles of H2 gas is released? How many moles? Total how many moles of H2 gas is released? 4 moles. Why? One is open chain converted to cyclic, then cyclic converted to aromatic 3 moles. 3 plus 1, how many? 4 moles. Sometimes they are asking the question. Sometimes they are asking the question that is aromatization reagent is Al2O3. Sometimes they will give the platinum. Sometimes Al2O3 plus Cr2O3, chromium trioxide also. These 2 reagents which is converted to aromatization. For example, I will take another compound like this. What is this compound? N-heptane. Hexane 7 kada, heptane. So what happened? Cracking. Loss of hydrogen from this one and this one. Yes, this is methyl. Again, what happened? Loss. What is this? What is this? Toluene. Same thing it's happened if you are in case of 2 methyl groups. What is this? Octane. N-octane. So what happened? Orthoxylene. ఎందుకు ఆర్థో పెట్టినా ఆర్థో పొజిషన్ లో మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది. Benzene, toluene, xylene. Is it clear? Suchir Mamidala, Amag, Arjun Bhandari, Abhishek Joshi. Any doubts? So write down first the statement. Write down statement. Guys, all of you please write down the statement. Yes. BTX. Yes. Amog. A mixture of benzene, toluene and xylene are known as BTX. Amog. is obtained when crude naphtha. Naphtha means C6 to C8 carbon, straight chain hydrocarbons. Vapors are processed through the catalyst platinum, alumina at 500 degrees or to 773 Kelvin. So octane number is improved sufficient by the lower alkanes to higher alkanes. Is it clear? Yes, guys, finish now. Shall I move next slide? Shall I move next slide, guys? Yes, finish now. Shall I move next slide? Yes. Shall I write down these examples? All of you, please write down these examples. Guys, next week exam alkanes. Coming week exam alkanes. Okay, only this chapter. I think all are perfect in isomerism chapter. Isomerism all are perfected. Yes. Himalata, where are you? Sumit, Satvik Ganjal, perfect. Isomerism. Yes, finished. The slide is over. You have any doubts? Isomerism chapter, Yashwant? ఇంకా డౌట్సా ఐసోమరిజంలా? ఒకసారి రివిజన్ చేయండి, నోట్స్ చదివి చేయండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని ఉన్నాయి, అంత సిలబస్ అంతా కవర్ అయిపోయింది. ఎస్ సార్, నో మాక్సిమం కవర్ చేసినాను. ఎస్, number of geometrical isomerism you can easily find out Bhuvan Samudrala by using double bonds. Already we wrote cis and trans. Which one is possible, which one is not possible in geometrical isomerism? If it is a terminal alkene having two same groups, which does not possible, we wrote that point in geometrical isomerism. If it is optical, possible by using chiral centers. If it is geometrical, by using double bonds. Bhuvan, is it clear? Bhuvan. Yes, guys, finished. Finished already. Shall I move next slide? Yes. Chalo. Now, knocking. What is knocking? What is knocking? Knocking means it is a like sound. Yes or no? Okay. Some vehicles it gives a maximum sound. Some vehicles it gives a minimum sound. Yes or no? Why? What is the reason why which gives a, if it is using the 2-3 years bike is there, okay, we purchased 2-3 years back, then that gives a more sound. If you are taking the new bike, which does not give the same sound, what is the reason? What is the reason? What is the reason? ఏ సైలెన్సర్ కాదు అర్జున్ బండాలి ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు బా సైలెన్సర్ వీక్ ఎందుకుంటుందా బా it depends on the engine ignition of the combustion of the oil, like petrol or diesel vehicles, whatever that. It depends on the ignition and braking. Generally, if you are taking the straight here, fuel which is having any fuel which is having like a petrol and petrol which is containing two types of n-heptane 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 మనం 7 తీసుకున్నాం. This is n-heptane, yes or no? N-heptane. Octane number is 0. If you take this one 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 2 comma 4 trimethyl what is that? Pentane. Generally we are calling as a isooctane. Octane number is entandi 100. Okay, if it is more octane number, it gives a minimum sound. The reason is if you are breaking like this, what happen? It form tertiary radical. If you are breaking this bond, it form primary radicals. Yes or no? Both are having the petrol లో రెండు ఉంటాయండి, n-heptane ఉంటుంది, octane ఉంటుంది. If it is whenever it is burn the oil burn అవుతుందనుకో, it gives a tertiary radical, it gives a less sound, means less knocking. It gives a primary, it gives more sound. It depends on the breaking of the bond. Actually, this is a mechanism in the engine, inside the engine. Yes or no? వాళ్ళందరికీ ఎవరికి తెలియదండి, మెకానిక్స్ కి వాళ్ళకి ఏం తెలియదు కదా జనరల్గా ఏం జరుగుతుందో. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ మెకానిజం ఫర్ ది engine sound. Why it gives a more sound? Because of it from the primary radicals whenever it is a burning of the oil. If it does not give the sound, means it is a formation of the tertiary radical. Because octane number is more, sound is reduces. Octane number increases, knocking means sound decreases. It is reverse, right? Is it right, guys? Yes or no? Then how to reduce the octane number? That's what generally addition of chemical. This is we are calling as a tel. They are addition the tel means tetraethyl lead. This is adding in petrol add chesi untundandi. This is a tetraethyl lead to decrease this sound. This is we are calling as a anti-knocking agent. నాకింగ్ ఏజెంట్ ఏదైతే మనకు సౌండ్ వస్తుందో అనుకుంటామో పెట్రోల్ ఇది యాడ్ చేసే ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ యాంటీ నాకింగ్ ఏజెంట్ విచ్ ఈస్ we are saying that in the petrol sample. Yes, here if it is a formation of tertiary degree of radical, it does not give the sound, it gives a minimum sound. Here minimum, here maximum sound. Is it clear? Tetraethyl lead, this is actually they are petrol which is containing tetraethyl lead, not ban. Tetraethyl lead, generally lead metal is a toxic element. Is it clear? So ఎప్పుడైతే tetraethyl lead addition to the oils to decrease the knocking, maximum తగ్గించడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తుంది. What is the use of this one? To increase the formation of the tertiary radicals. Tertiary radical form చేయడానికి ఎక్కువ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. So whenever it form the tertiary radical, what happen? Sound is minimum. Amog, is it clear? Is it clear guys? Any doubts? Srish, Amog, any doubts guys? What is advantage of tetraethyl lead to decrease the sound? Generally we are calling as an anti-knocking agent. Why it is acting as anti-knocking agent? Because of to increase the formation of the tertiary radicals. Whenever it is increase the tertiary radical, octane number is increases, knocking is decreases. Is it clear? Is it clear guys? Any doubts? Any doubts? Chalo, write down. Chalo, write down. I will write down the definition. Please listen. I will write the definition. Definition రాస్తాను చూడండి. The metallic sound, the metallica, the metallica sound, the metallic sound produced due to irregular burning of the irregular burning of the fuel is termed as knocking. So what is that anti-knocking agent? Tetraethyl lead. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Tetraethyl lead is a anti-knocking agent. Okay, tertiary radical, whenever it forms the tertiary radical, burning of the oils. Clear, burning of oil, it forms tertiary degree, it forms less sound, it is primary degree, more sound, maximum. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Amag, Hemalata, Srish, Yashwan, any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Chalo, write down. మొత్తం మీ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది అది మొత్తం రాసుకోండి అమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ రైట్ డౌన్. Guys, finished? Over. Anti-knocking agent is okay. Do it fast. Jurmandare, already we wrote that point, octane number to decide the quality of the petrol. If it is octane number increases, purity increases, ignition decreases. Is it clear? Arjun? Yes, finished guys? Over? Burning of oil, yes. Burning means ignition. Ignition of the oil, it from the 3 degree, it is a less sound, minimum sound. If it is formation of the primary, maximum. Is it clear? Shanmukh? Okay, Rabbani, do it, do it. Yes, when it is maximum, if it is formation of the tertiary radical. Okay, Shanmukh. If it is formation of the primary radical, it is a maximum. If it is formation of the tertiary, it is a minimum. Is it clear? Shanmukh? Shanmukh, is it clear? Right. Finish off. Okay. Knocking capacity. Knocking capacity. Listen. Guys, knocking capacity is, listen guys. The radar tendency, the tendency to knock, the tendency to knock, fall off, fall off is in the, is in the following order. మనం ఆర్డర్ కూడా రాసుకోవాలి, ఒక్కొక్కసారి వాళ్ళు ఆర్డర్ అడుగుతారు. ఓకే, ఆర్డర్. సో ఐ విల్ రైట్ డౌన్ straight chain hydrocarbons, straight chain alkenes is always more than branched chain, then branched chain alkenes. Or Rabban, please wait, I will tell you. Alkenes, alkenes, then alkenes, then cycloalkanes, then aromatic hydrocarbons, which is more not straight chain. అందుకని ఇక్కడ చూడండి, it is a straight chain, it is a branched, which is more and more knocking, which is more knocking, which is more which is more straight chain. That's what here also same thing, na? Okay, straight chain always more. Okay, Nikhil, Rabbani, is it clear? Rabbani, is it clear? Rabbani, if octane number increases, sound decreases. Amog, octane number increases, sound decreases. Okay, knocking property decreases. Okay, Amog, chalo. ఎందుకంటే టెర్షరీ రాడికల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి అక్కడ. టెర్షరీ రాడికల్ ఫామ్ కావాలని ఏమని చెప్పినాను ఆల్రెడీ, వి డిస్కస్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్. వాట్ వి రోట్, మినిమం టెర్షరీ రాడికల్ అంటే మినిమం సౌండ్, మాక్సిమం స్ట్రైట్ చైన్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఫినిష్డా? 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 Guys, finished off? Over? Hemalata, finished amma. Rabbani, Hemalata, Sai Ritvik. Done? Chalo. Leave it one page. Guys, leave it 1 or 2 pages. Sound. This is a sound knocking. Leave it to 2 pages. Leave it 2 pages. We enter to another chapter. Okay, leave it 2 pages. Write down alkenes. Alkenes in bracket olefins. This is a common name is olefins. Okay, leave it to 2 pages. That 2 pages we have to discuss. If it is anything is in previous class, if it is anything, any question is comes from the IIT exam, then that we discuss in the later. That's what we can leave it 2 pages. Then we start another new chapter, that is alkanes. This is a 3rd chapter. Is it clear? Is it clear? General formula of alkenes. What is that? CnH2n. General name olefins. General name olefins. Hybridization, sp2 hybridization. Why? Because carbon double bond is there, so that sp2 hybridization. Then bond length 1.34 angstroms. Why? Because carbon double bond, carbon double bond length. Okay, then bond energy 146 kilocalorie per mole. It require carbon double bonds you have to break. Okay, isomeric compound, any isomeric compound, same molecular formula but a different structure. Which type of isomers is possible? Ring chain isomers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Ring chain isomers. Is it possible? Is it possible, guys? Chalo, write up. Right, finish now. Finish now, guys. Finish that day. Shall I move next slide? Yes. Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts? Olefins, sp2 hybridization 1.3, 186, 146, and అక్కడ ఎంత ఉందండి బాండ్ లెంత్ 1.54 ఆల్కేన్స్ 86 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అవన్నీ. Preparations. First one from alkynes. Listen. Listen, guys. Listen. Alkynes react with H2 hydrogen, hydrogen gas, in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, in bracket Lindar's catalyst, to form corresponding cis alkenes, because alkenes are formed geometrical isomerism, right? Then another one is alkynes react with H2 in the presence of sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia. This is a catalyst we are calling as a Birch reduction. Mirchi కాదు birch, BARCH, Birch reduction. Mirchan రాశారు బాబు, to form corresponding transalkenes. What are that one? Chalo, listen. RC triple bond Cr plus H2, right? Two possibilities we wrote. What is that? Palladium ESO4. Then what is this? Lindar's catalyst. Then another one is sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia. What is this gas? Birch reduction. So in this case, what happened? In this case, C double bond H R R. In this case, what happened? C R R H H. Can I call this is a we are calling as a cis. This one is trans. But these two are which type of isomers? Geometrical isomers. Ona? Yes or no? These two are geometrical isomers? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Guys. చాలు రండి ఇక రండి ఇక్కడి నుంచే కదా రాసేది రండి అమ్మా స్టార్టెడా ప్లీజ్ ఫినిష్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్ 2 minutes టైం ఇస్తాను 2 minutesలో ఫాస్ట్ చేయాలి ఫినిష్ చేయాలి మళ్ళీ సాంస్క్రిట్ సార్ ఎవరు వస్తారు మళ్ళీ It's over. Guys, over. Finished? Yashwant Reddy. Manasvi. Manasvi, finished? Done. Shall I move next slide? Right down. Sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia. That is a Birch reduction reagent. This is a Linda's catalyst. Done. Finished? Move on. Examples we'll discuss next class. Example we'll discuss next class because you take a small break. I think 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, sir will come to take the class. Then the remaining we'll discuss next class. Thank you very much, guys. Right, this week exam is Saturday and Monday's exam portion is alkanes. Be ready. Alkanes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.